XRP is currently seeing a strong pumping in comparison to the rest of the cryptocurrency market, as reported by today's news. This represents a 13.02% growth over the course of the daily timeframe, as its value has increased from 47 cents at the beginning of the day to 53.64 cents at the present moment. For almost a week in a row, there has been a consistent increase in prices. Wonderful news. Seeing stuff like these is a wonderful experience. Additionally, it is possible that XRP began to dominate the rest of the cryptocurrency market before it had even been fully constituted. There is a possibility that the significant increase in value of XRP can be attributed to a wide variety of factors. Some individuals believe that it is connected to the fact that the German government sold all of their Bitcoin and used some of the money to purchase XRP. This is something that some people believe is to blame. This makes perfect sense, however, I only believe my own opinion and not the advice of financial professionals. That there is a great deal more going on than that, the most of which is connected to the events that are taking place with rippling XRP, the SEC and Wall Street together. That is pretty significant information. In the first place, I would like to bring to your attention a brief film that was created by Zach Rector. The article discusses some significant XRP news as well as a potential explanation for the current upward and downward movement of the price of XRP. Be more attentive to this. The fact that XRP has recently received a significant listing that is not an exchange is even more significant. The experience of being on a Bitcoin market is superior to that. And if you're curious, do financial institutions and other large corporations have any interest in XRP? As you can see in the following picture that I am going to show you, they are very certainly interested in the same thing. Because XRP exchange traded funds ETFs are on the way, they are going to buy some XRP without a doubt. In conclusion, the CME Group and CF Benchmarks announced yesterday that they are planning to include an XRP index standard reference rate in their upcoming project. Just why do you require this? It is for the companies that are putting the exchange traded funds ETFs on the market. All of the exchange traded fund ETF websites are now using this to obtain the most recent exchange rates. According to Brad Garlinghouse, the first step toward crypto products for institutions is to have a benchmark reference rate that can be relied upon. Additionally, it is quite encouraging to see that the CME Group and the CF standards are working together on this matter. What the market has to say is as follows. In the video that I uploaded yesterday, I discussed a portion of this story. It is anticipated that the fact that they are required to market will mean around 5. Just $100 trillion is a staggering amount, and it is a significant reason why XRP cannot be sold at a low price and will need to be worth thousands of dollars in the subsequent years. This insightful post written by an investor in digital assets can provide you with additional information. Ripple's ultimate objective is to manage all of the transactions that take place in the derivatives market. Ripple has not yet disclosed this information to the general public, but this is really what they plan to do. They want to take over Swift. Although this is merely their plan for the near time, their ultimate goal is to have complete control over the futures market in the long run. Just consider how much money will be transferred through XRP if Ripple is in charge of this market that is worth $500 trillion. How the price of XRP is going to skyrocket, especially considering that the agreement will provide XRP with even more exposure to the top dogs of Wall Street. This collaboration with CNB is a really significant piece of news. It is the international monetary market that serves as the primary business of the CME Group. Vanguard, BlackRock, Capital International Investors, State Street Corporation, JP Morgan Chase, and Capital World Investors are among the most significant owners in CME Group. Other stockholders include State Street Corporation. This is extremely significant news. It is for this reason that CME collaborated with XRP and the XRP index. What they accomplished was done with these proprietors in mind. This is the outcome that Wall Street really wants to see happen. They are interested in understanding more about XRP and Ripple. They have a desire to have a simpler way to enter the world of cryptocurrencies. Grayscale reports that XRP has risen to become one of the most valuable crypto assets currently available on the market. The implication of this is that Wall Street is no longer keeping quiet about how much they adore, support, and desire XRP. This is the future that we will be forced to live in because we will have no other option. Tokenization and the establishment of an XRP market will also be of key significance. We can view this from Cyprus, if you will. 92% of the institutions that were questioned stated that tokenization and the trading of digital assets have begun to be beneficial to their business. Another 79% of respondents, which is still a very big majority, reported that making the transition to digital assets has resulted in cost savings for them. Investors are given confidence in the new method the market is expanding as a result of this significant event. Additionally, keep in mind that the GDF is the source of this information. With the goal of enhancing digital finance, Global Digital Finance is the most extensive open innovation organization in the entire world operating. What an enormous deal it is. Taking into consideration how hard these businesses want to enter this new market and how much they believe it will help them, it is probable that the announcement that CME is working with XRP is affecting the price of XRP until its true value is understood. This is because these businesses believe that it will help them. On the other hand, that is not the only reason I love you as well, owing to the fact that today is the 13th of July. When Judge Torres ruled that XRP is not a security, it was a significant victory for XRP in its fight against the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). They demonstrated that they were following the law, and now they will be following history. Brad, Gardening House, and the rest of Ripple's crew will be following history. XRP's value increased from 47 cents to roughly $1 as a direct result of this move, which sent shockwaves across the cryptocurrency and banking worlds. It is in remembrance of this significant day in history that XRP may have acted in the same manner as it did in the past for a number of reasons, one of which is that, in a Ripple sense, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is holding a secret meeting this coming Thursday, July 18th, at the headquarters in Washington, District of Columbia. As of today, which marks the anniversary of XRP's victory, there has been far more debate than normal about the possibility that this settlement arrangement being the one that we have all been waiting for. This is because it is quite evident that Wolfsheath desires to employ XRP more than ever before. This paves the way for the creation of an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP, initial public offerings IPOs of XRP, and the widespread adoption of XRP by organizations in the United States. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) may have abandoned up at this time since they are exhausted from losing first to Ripple and then to everyone else since. This is the reason why some people believe this. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has concluded a significant investigation into stablecoins, which is a victory for the cryptocurrency industry. It would appear that the SEC is frustrated with their lack of success and is giving up on their conduct a study on the PAX or stablecoin cryptocurrencies. Bear in mind that the Securities and Exchange Commission did not immediately come to the conclusion that the BUSD stablecoin is not a security. In point of fact, Judge Berman Jackson had stated in the Binance case exactly 2 weeks prior to the aforementioned statement that the SEC had not presented any arguments that were convincing that BUSD is a security. Once more, the Securities and Exchange Commission committed a significant error. Given the fact that all cases are connected, this was a significant victory for cryptocurrency, particularly XRP. When it comes to cryptocurrency offerings and regulations for banks and brokerages, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) appears to be becoming less stringent in recent times. As we can see, this scoop about the SEC's decision on the subject that was provided by Elena Terrett, a reporter for Fox Business, demonstrates that, in a nutshell, the SEC admits that they do not comprehend or are not clear about how certain expectations were met in relation to SAP 121. There are some banks and brokerages that have been successful in persuading the SEC that their case is distinct from what Sedone to One asserts. This is due to the fact that things are not entirely apparent